Hey everyone, in this video I'm diving into a real-world IoT project that didn't quite hit the mark. It was meant to integrate video surveillance, intrusion detection, and physical security platforms into a smart city setup. Sounds cool, right? Unfortunately, it turned into a textbook example of how good ideas can be derailed by poor execution. The goal was ambitious, merging multiple subsystems, like VMS, fire and intrusion sensors, access control, and even voice communication, into one central PSIM platform. But the vision got muddled. Instead of a cohesive system, we ended up with fragmented tools, underused hardware, and frustrated operators. Most operators were still relying on their phones for real alerts. The software barely touched, and that integration platform that was supposed to pull it all together, clunky, confusing, and lacking basic features the legacy systems already had. The VMS system had smart features, virtual guard tours, video salvos, motion detection, and camera tracking. But the new PSIM stripped all that away. The result? Operators outright rejected it. So, why did this happen? 3 big reasons. First, poor procurement. They went with a low-cost vendor who had no track record. Second, weak analysis. No one took the time to understand how operators actually worked. And third, ignoring the basics of AI. They talked about intelligence but forgot the fundamentals. AI isn't magic. It's about augmenting human intelligence. Smart cameras should assist operators by detecting anomalies, recognizing unusual objects, and triggering alerts in real time. But that requires solid AI integration, and a mature vision for where and how that intelligence fits in your architecture. Here's what we should have done. Embedded machine vision and learning where it mattered, on the edge. Kept legacy VMS capabilities intact, and built on top of them. Used expert systems but involved the actual experts, the operators, from day one. Avoided niche vendors with no long-term support capacity. And above all, we should have defined clear roles and responsibilities. Who owns the application? Who manages the API integrations? Who's in charge of AI training? These questions weren't just unanswered, they were unasked. So, if you're leading a complex IoT project, especially one involving security, sensors, and video, remember these 3 rules. Don't buy hardware without the software. Don't chase AI if you don't understand the basics. And don't build systems with vendors who can't grow with you. We live in a world of smart cameras, neural processors, and edge AI, but systems are only as smart as the people and processes behind them. Let's make sure we get that right next time. If you've been through something like this, or want to avoid it, check out the rest of this playlist. Learn from my mistakes, and let's build smarter together.